Hyundai has been making waves in the world of performance cars with its N lineup. The company started with the fan-favorite Veloster N, followed by the high-performing Kona N SUV and the sporty Elantra N sedan. Welcome back to my Carnival Top List video. Here we share all cars news. Hyundai then made a bold move by launching the Ioniq 5N, marking the brand's first performance-oriented electric vehicle, EV. This has proven to be a successful leap, and Hyundai is ready to expand its N performance division with a new addition, the Ioniq 6N. Though the Ioniq 5N was Hyundai's debut EV in the performance sector, it's just the beginning. Hyundai has confirmed the development of the Ioniq 6N, a high-performance version of the Ioniq 6 sedan, which is expected to bring even more power, better suspension, and genuine track-ready capabilities. While we don't yet know the exact release date for the Ioniq 6N, we do have some juicy details about this upcoming performance machine. Here's a closer look at what we can expect. Design: sportier, sleeker, and N5. The Ioniq 6N will build upon the sleek, coupe-like shape of the standard Ioniq 6 but will feature sportier elements typical of Hyundai's N division. You can expect it to have Hyundai's signature performance blue paint, which is practically synonymous with the N brand. The Ioniq 6N will likely feature larger wheels, additional vents for improved cooling, and an aggressive rear wing. As shown in recent spy videos, the wing will likely be larger, similar to what we've seen on the Elantra N. The car will sit lower and wider compared to the regular Ioniq 6, giving it a more aggressive stance and improved handling dynamics. It's worth noting that while the Ioniq 6N will be sportier, it probably won't have the same wide-body kit seen on the RN22E concept that debuted in 2022, as this was a more extreme design aimed at showcasing the potential of the Ioniq 6 electric architecture. The production Ioniq 6N will likely retain a sleeker design with some design elements tailored specifically for performance. As with most N models, the Ioniq 6N will undoubtedly be powered by electricity. While details about the exact powertrain are still limited, it's safe to assume that the Ioniq 6N will feature a dual-motor setup, similar to the Ioniq 5N. Early reports have suggested that this new N model could be the most powerful in the lineup, possibly surpassing the performance figures of previous models. However, it's more likely that it will match the Ioniq 5N's impressive 641 horsepower, which already provides blistering acceleration and a top speed of around 165 miles per hour. With 641 horsepower, the Ioniq 6N should be capable of reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 3.0 seconds. To handle this increased performance, the Ioniq 6N will almost certainly get a larger battery pack. The standard Ioniq 6 offers a 77.4 kWh battery, but with the Performance N version, a larger 84.0 kWh battery similar to the Ioniq 5N seems more likely. This larger battery would provide more energy for the additional power, ensuring that the Ioniq 6N remains a true performance powerhouse.